Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover YouTube account without phone number or verification. So for this purpose, first you need to open Google at your mobile phone and search for Google Account Recovery. So here in search bar, tap Google Account Recovery. Once you done this, then you are here on this page. Here you need to tap on how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Once you tap on it, then this type of page will appear. Here you need to scroll down. And here you have the option of get help signing in. Tap on it. Once you click on it, then this will pop up. Here you need to tap on first one. After tapping on first one, here you need to tap on recover your Google account or Gmail. Now here first you have to enter your email or phone number. After entering phone number or email, tap on next. Then this page will appear on your screen. For account recovery, check your phone and tap on this number. Once you tap on this number on your mobile phone, your account is automatically recovered. So that's how you can recover your account without phone number or verification. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.